Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best cheap mechanical keyboard.
Starting at number 5.
Keychron C3 Pro. The Keychron C3 Pro offers the best typing experience you can get for under $50, with solid build quality, smooth stabilizers, and full programmability in VIA. But the C3 Pro is available with fewer switch options than our top pick, and it lacks hot swap, so you can't easily change those switches later. Our budget pick comes with lower quality ABS keycaps that feel cheaper and will wear out faster than the PBT keycaps on our top picks. The C3 Pro also lacks a wireless connection, and it's only available with a red backlight.
Coming at number 4.
EPOMAKER X Feker. Robust elegance-full aluminum alloy shell crafted for those who demand both strength and elegance, the Galaxy 80's metal exterior promises enduring quality and a modern, minimalist appeal. The solid aluminum build not only withstands daily wear and tear but also provides a steady, reassuring base for every keystroke. Perfect for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Galaxy 80's sleek, metallic finish is more than just a statement, it's a commitment to lasting excellence. Tankuless compact layout and innovative gasket structure. The Galaxy 80 redefines space efficiency with its TKL compact layout. This design integrates all the essential keys in a smaller footprint, making it perfect for streamlined desks and mobile setups without sacrificing functionality. At the heart of its design lies the innovative gasket structure, a groundbreaking feature that blends flexibility with stability. This advanced mechanism ensures a supremely comfortable typing experience, minimizing fatigue during extended sessions and offering a consistent, responsive touch with every keystroke.
At number 3.
Keychron V6 Wired. 108 keys mechanical keyboard. The V6 is a full-sized custom mechanical keyboard with QMK/VIA support, which can offer you endless possibilities of customization and meet your needs in different situations. With double-shot PBT keycaps, an acoustic silicone pad, screw-in stabs, and pre-lubed switches, etc. It will meet your diverse needs and bring you excellent typing comfort. Fully customizable from the inside out. To build a fully customizable keyboard, we designed every component easily assembled, including keycaps, switches, gasket, plate, and case foam if you want. With QMK and VIA support, you can easily program and remap each key on the keyboard. The open-source firmware means endless possibilities for keyboard layouts, shortcuts, backlight effects, and more. Hot swappable support, with the pre-lubed mechanical linear red switch, provides unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 50 million keystroke lifespan. You can also hot swap the V6 with almost all of the 3-pin and 5-pin MX mechanical switches on the market, including Cherry, Keychron, Kale, Panda, etc., without soldering required. The PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizer for big keys such as spacebar, shift, enter, and delete are designed for less wobbliness and smooth performance. Compatible with both Mac OS and Windows systems, built with the Mac user's experience in mind while still retaining compatibility for Windows devices, the Keychron V6 comes with a system toggle and an additional set of customized keycaps for both Windows and Mac OS systems. You can now save 2 different layouts on the keyboard.
Number 2 of my list.
Keychron V5 Max. Keychron V5 Max, the upgraded QMK/VIA wireless custom mechanical keyboard, allows anyone to master any key or macro command in 96% compact layout, which includes keycaps for Windows and Mac OS. Coming in an 1800 compact layout, it offers a gasket mount design, sound-absorbing foam, double-shot PBT keycaps, and more to take your typing experience to a new level, delivering enhanced comfort and productivity. Program with QMK and VIA. Simply connect the V5 Max to your device with a cable, drag and drop your favorite keys or macro commands to remap any key you want on any system, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. 3-mode connection. It supports 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and a wired connection. Experience peak gaming performance on the fly with the 2.4 GHz wireless connection boasting a rapid 1000 Hz polling rate. For seamless multitasking across your computer, phone, and tablet, you can effortlessly connect the V5 Max via Bluetooth 5.1 to 3 devices. Hot Swappable support. The fully assembled V5 Max version is equipped with factory pre-lubricated Keychron Jupiter professional switches, and a smoother traveling experience is guaranteed for you. The hot swappable sockets are mounted on the PCB, so you can install or change the switches without soldering. The PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin MX mechanical switches.
And number 1.
Keychron V3 Max. The V3 Max is a classic TKL layout QMK/via wireless mechanical keyboard upgraded with a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, featuring a 1000 Hz polling rate, on both 2.4G and wired modes. Its gasket mount design, sound-absorbing foam, double-shot PBT keycaps, and more take your typing experience to a new level, delivering heightened levels of comfort and productivity. Simply connect the V3 Max to your device with a cable, drag and drop your favorite keys or macro commands to remap any key you want on any system, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. ARM Cortex-M4 32-bit STM32F402 MCU, which is powerful, and equipped with 256K flash, will provide more flexibility for developers. Asterisk note: user can remap a key on wired mode only. Once it's done, the key map will work on both wireless and wired modes.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.